विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. गोंयांत मायनिंग बंद पडिल्ल्यान गोंय राज्याक आर्थीक दृश्ट्या फटको बसला. गोंय मायनिंगाक स्थिरता ह्या विशयाचेर गोवा चेंबर्स ऑफ कॉमर्सान सेमिनार आयोजीत केल्लो. ह्या विशया वेल्या तज्ञांनी विशयाचेर उलोवपाक केल्लीं. पणजेच्यान RDX गोवा खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिक्स.
Today's discussion topic, to my mind, is extremely relevant in the context of Goa. Mining in Goa in recent times has been subjected to too many interventions by judiciary as a result of high-profile litigations, mostly on sustainability issues. Today, Goa is awaiting some enabling legislations to come out of second-time stoppage of mining in last 6 years, going to Supreme Court judgments. However, even if the state legislative support materializes, I believe that fresh recommencement will not be possible until the environment clearance is obtained, and that will take some time to materialize. In today's seminar, we expect to hear from a few eminent speakers as to various aspects of sustainability of mining, particularly in the context of Goa. We also have a panel discussion in the afternoon session, wherein all of us will have opportunity to clear our doubts as to sustainability issues that we may still have after hearing various individual speakers.
In the course of discussion, Mr. Mukherjee, of course, I don't speak a lot about mining, but I'll give a little bit of a background, which many of you are aware. We started mining almost 80 years back, and mining at one point of the time was the backbone of the Goan economy, more particularly of the Goan rural economy. It still is, because you can see the mass and employment and the kind of chaos and the kind of situation which is there, because the mining is still not started. From providing means of income to providing educational opportunities to healthcare facilities, including even the water supply into some of the cases. Mining industry touched every aspect of development in practically every rural and other areas in the immediate vicinity of the mining areas. It of course earned valuable foreign exchange, contributed a lot to the Goan exchequer also, and it also afforded job opportunities for a number of Goan youth. Because what we saw with the China thing coming over, the boom coming over, which is what was normally a good thing in the sense that exports increase, the mining activity increase, but it also brought within its sake some of the practices which were questionable by people who were, I would say, a fly-by-night operator. But the acts of those few have tarnished the image of the many. This also happens in every particular industry, in every particular profession. There are sometimes black sheep which are there, and they happen to tarnish the entire kind of industry.